Hello everybody! In this video, we will show you how to drill through data and see non-aggregated values. Each number in the pivot table represents one or more records from the original dataset. Let's double-click any cell and drill through it to the raw data. We can see a pop-up window. At the top of it, we see details about the cell: row name, column name, and value. The grid shows the list of records from which the cell value was composed. We can manage the information displayed in the drill-through view using the field list. Let's add all the available fields. Please note that these changes won't affect the pivot table. You can also open the drill-through view via the context menu. The drill-through feature also works for the pivot charts. Let's try it. Firstly, switch to the charts view and then double-click any graphic element. The drill-through view shows underlying non-aggregated data for this element. This pop-up window can be reached via the element's context menu as well. Now you know how to drill through your data in Flexmonster. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.